Hey everyone. Today, we're tackling that frustrating your connection is not private error you might encounter while using Google Chrome. So, let's get started. The first thing you can try is clearing your browsing data. This often helps because cached data and cookies might be causing the error. So, you open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. And then navigate to the history settings. And look for the option to clear your browsing data. Set the time range to all time to ensure everything is cleared out. Once that's done, go ahead and remove those pesky cached files and cookies. Next, let's ensure your computer's date and time settings are correct. So, click on the search bar. And type Control Panel. And then select it from the results. After that, click on the Network and Sharing Center. And then click on the Change Adapter Settings. And then right-click on the Internet from which you are connected. And then click on the Properties. Now, select IPv4 from there. And then click on the Properties. Now, select Use the following DNS server address option. After that, type 8888 in the first field. Then in the second field, type 8844. Once you're done, hit the OK. This can often resolve connection issues that might be causing the privacy error. And there you have it. With these adjustments, you should be able to resolve your connection is not private error and get back to browsing without worry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.